Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of what could possibly be the best multifunctional tool set in the market right now. This is the complete toolbox gift set for men by WALLGRIFF. Whether you're looking for a perfect gift or upgrading your own toolkit, this set promises to deliver. Let's get started. This toolbox gift set isn't your ordinary collection of tools. It's designed with versatility and quality in mind, featuring a combination of practical essentials. From a sleek carbon fiber and vegan leather wallet to a multifunctional hammer, telescopic magnetic lamp, pocket knife, and screwdriver bits, this set has it all. It's marketed as ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, or just about any occasion where a thoughtful and practical gift is appreciated. Let's break down what makes this set stand out. First, the carbon fiber and vegan leather wallet. It's stylish, durable, and designed to hold up well over time. The multifunctional hammer is a standout, combining utility with a rugged design. Whether you're fixing things around the house or exploring the outdoors, its versatility comes in handy. The telescopic and magnetic lamp is perfect for those dark corners where you need extra light. It's compact yet powerful, making it a great addition to your emergency kit. The multifunctional pocket knife is another highlight, featuring various tools that cater to different needs. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply tackling DIY projects at home. Quality-wise, this set doesn't disappoint. Each piece feels solid and well-made, which is crucial for tools you rely on. The attention to detail, from the belt sheath to the screwdriver bits, reflects the manufacturer's commitment to delivering a premium product. Not only is the content impressive, but the packaging itself is thoughtful. The heavy, thick gift box in vibrant orange not only protects but also presents the items beautifully. It includes a personalized gift card, adding a touch of sentiment to your gift-giving experience. Wrapping up, the complete toolbox gift set for men by WALLGRIFF is a comprehensive package that doesn't just meet expectations but exceeds them. It's practical, well-crafted, and versatile enough to suit various needs and occasions. Whether you're shopping for yourself or a loved one, this set is sure to make an impression. If you're interested in checking out this multifunctional tool set, I've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates on great products like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.